to track all the communication taking place through that. So this is a very important and interesting concept. If you have your website hosted, you can integrate a chat bot within it to answer the questions and to gather the data from there. Let's say we have this chat. We click on it. We have some basic customization options if you want to keep any one of this. Let's say we go with this one. After setting up the display properties, we will next move to another section, which is the first chat flow. For the chat heading, you can choose to be a custom name or avatar. Other than that, you can also have a specific username or team or any contact owner. Let's say for now, I am Ayesha, so this is already popping up in my preview. You can also customize the welcome message. For now, it has got any questions, I'm here to help. And this is the live chat. It is also best that this is a live chat and we would not be able to set up the reply workflows here. So we can also customize this message. To gather the emails, just in case if someone is landing on the page and I'm not available. To assign conversations, automatically assign conversations to your team members. That is not possible within the current package. So we will skip that option. Oh, just a bit. Oops. Okay, so we've written a message, a welcome message, and we will hit with the next. One of the most important thing is the chat availability. So it is always best to have a working hour affiliated within the chatbot. So within that time, if some visitor is accessing, so it gets this notification that you're available. You can set your own user availability based on if any one of the member is available. Other than that, you can also customize your working hours. Let's say it's Monday to Friday for the working weekend. You can also set the chat available for 24/7. Here's an important thing. Once you are available during the work hours or whatever availability that you've set for your channel, you can set a typically show a response time or any custom response within the 5 minutes window. In case you are away and someone is accessing the chat and you're not available, so you can leave an away message. And again, you can prompt the visitor to enter their email address. So once you're available, you would be taking up the next step around their queries or conversations. Then you can have, you can also set up the functionality for the outside working hours as well. So we can set up the outside working hours as well. We will now proceed with the next steps. This is the preview of your chatbot, the way it would be available on your website. You can also check the tab views and the mobile views as well. Hit next. Okay. Now this is the embed code. Wherever you want to implement this chatbot, you will place this snippet within the website. You need to share it with your developer so they can add it. Other than that, if you want, if you've been hosting your website in some other platform, then you can check that as well. For now, we will verify the installation. And once you hit this button, it would be enabled. So we have tried setting up a conversation chat on the website. Now let's focus on within the chat flows. Once you've enabled it, your chat flow would be available here. So you can see that. Next, move to the snippet section. So the snippets are those reusable content pieces that you can code for once and then you can refer them and you do not have to write that content again and again. I have already created one snippet. So let's just try editing that and we will need to see how we can do this. We click on this. Every snippet needs to have an internal name that is already visible in the snippet section. Now, since let's say we are sending out an email to a prospect about around our services that we offer within Xgrid for HubSpot implementation, right? So we have already created a snippet around this, all about our partnership with HubSpot and all the services that we offer within this domain. And another important thing is to add a shortcut. So we have currently named it Mops Xgrid, and we save it. I have created this snippet. Now, how do we use it? Let's say we go back to this inbox section where we can create or compose an email, right? Let's say. And if within this email, I want to use my snippet that I've already created, I will just go into the snippet section, and I have here from the drop-down menu, I can select the HubSpot Services by Xgrid, and it would be readily available. And this is how I can use it. So this is the basic use of all the snippets within our conversations tab. Within this feature, you can create 5 snippets that would be reusable in the CRM